a big advice that I would have liked to receive a bit earlier is that in the game of golf and in any sport, physicality and speed is very important. So I've been working on it now, but I wish I'd started like doing a bit more explosive and speed training a bit earlier in my career. I would say that my parents were definitely the reason why I was and still am playing golf. They both have been athletes growing up. They don't play golf though, but they were very adamant that we play some sport, and that got me into golf, and they've always encouraged me. So I think the two of them, I'd give them all the credit. Nothing particular that goes from week to week, but every week that I'm playing a tournament, I like to keep things pretty constant. If I've had a certain thing for breakfast, I like to keep having the same thing for breakfast the next 4 days. Kind of small stuff like that, but nothing too superstitious, just a little bit. I think it's a big honor to be a part of this tournament that is giving the limelight to women's golf. I think across all sports in our country, I think that's something that we're missing and which is getting better. And this is a big step towards the future, so I'm very excited. Like advice that I would give them is advice that I try to live by as well, is to enjoy the sport and have fun playing it, because it feels less like a job and less like there's less pressure if you feel like you're actually having fun. I think a week like this is definitely empowering for us to be able to come and play in the same field as the top men professionals, and to be able to have a chance at like the same prize fund, the same trophy. I think that's very empowering. Well, just like everybody, just try to maybe sit in bed for a bit, watch some shows, listen to some podcasts, just kind of try to get my mind off golf, because as professional golfers, we tend to just be obsessed with the sport and only think about that. So it's important to do other things and think about other things. I think it's going to feel absolutely incredible. I'm a few shots back after today, so I have some work to do over the next 2 days, but it'll feel absolutely incredible, personally as well as from like a bigger perspective of women's golf.